Oh my God, the house is a mess. My wife said she's too busy to clean it. She's working overtime in her corporate job. So I said, no problem. I said, here's what you do. You go to wetcrow.com, www.wetcrow.com. You click on house cleaning. You pick out which service you need. Ours should be standard cleaning. I don't think we need deep cleaning. And they'll be out the next day cleaning the house. That's it. It won't cost that much, and you'll save ourselves a lot of time and money too. We'll have a nice, fresh, clean smelling house. That's what you do. www.wetcrow.com. Select the house cleaning, and that's it. Pick out which which level of service you want, and pick the appointment. You'll see an appointment there, and you pick which one you want, and that's it. You're up and running. They'll come out and clean the house. You pay for it when you book it, and then they'll come out and clean the house for you. And no fuss, no muss. That's it. Very simple. I don't use any other service anymore. I don't care, grocery delivery, any service you can think of. I go through www.wetcrow.com. Come on, and you can do that too. It doesn't take genius to do that. Okay, so remember, next time you need a service, forget about going to Angelus and getting a quote. You don't need that crap anymore. You need to hang pictures. You need to have a toilet replaced, like I'm just doing now, or you need something else done. Remember, you go to www.wetcrow.com. It's a wet crow. They used to call me Wet Crow, and I had hair. So that was my nickname. So there you go, folks. Just do that. I promise you're gonna have a very good experience. Less than 2 minutes, you can book yourself any kind of service you want. And we're adding a lot more. We're adding rideshare. We're gonna have event booking for your next wedding. You can plan if you have a wedding planned or anniversary. You can do all that on wetcrow.com. So remember that when you go looking for services. Don't think of any other service. www.wetcrow.com every time. That's it. It's the new way to do business. Okay? Thank you.